Hello guys, here is our first impression of Ticon TWS-250 game beads. It comes with 30 hours of battery backup and RGB lighting of both sides. On this side, here is some instructions and description about the product, where the box contains 13mm large unit which supports wireless version 5.1, IPX4 waterproof, large battery, noise reduction and shockproof. In the left side of the product, it is mentioned that the product standby time is 300 hours, 1.5 hours charging and 6 hour backup of each earbud. The box which we have contains black unit. Let's unbox and see what we have. Wow, that's a great product, looking very nice. You can see a clear picture of this product. It is really good. Here is the earbuds of the products. Buds are also good, looking good. Box contains extra earbuds, a cable and some manuals. The cable is A type to type C for charging. Here we have branding by Ticon, charging percentage and RGB lighting on both sides. Buds are also with RGB lighting, and behind we have the charging port and in downside we have once more Ticon branding and BSI mark. Let's have a close view of this amazing product. Let's have a quick view of white color also.